Bradley's on-site portable gravity-fed Eyewash is the ideal safety solution when a plumbed water supply is unavailable in your facility. The unit can be installed in different ways to accommodate various site conditions. It can be mounted to a wall, or it can be mounted on Bradley's on-site waste cart sold separately. Bradley recommends using the waste cart because it ensures the fixture is mounted at the right height per ANSI requirements. The large 56-gallon capacity cart collects wastewater during testing and use, allowing you to wheel the fixture to an improved drain to dispose of wastewater properly. Most important, the waste cart makes the unit portable, making it easy to relocate as hazards change in your facility. Assembling the waste cart first is important because it will make it easier to transport the tank when it comes time to fill it with water. The components of the waste cart include the cart, 4 casters, and provided hardware. Start by attaching the 4 casters to the bottom of the cart, with the rigid casters at the front and the swivel casters to the back. Line up the casters with the studs on the bottom of the cart and secure in place. Then make sure the petcock is closed by turning it 90 degrees to the left. The components of the on-site gravity-fed Eyewash include pedestal, tank, cap, liner, a set of 5 hook and fastener kits, a mounting bracket, an inspection tag, and a safety sign. Make sure you have all components before installation. The first step is to pour clean, potable, tepid water into the tank until it is 1/2 to 1/3 full. Next, add water preservative solution if desired. The preservative extends the life of the water in the tank, but is not included. Follow manufacturer's instructions on when to change out the water if you are using a preservative. Then continue to add water past the required fill line. The extra water will be dispensed during testing. Insert 1 liner into the cap with the hole and attach to the top of the tank. Set the tank aside. The tank weighs 60 pounds when filled to capacity. Due to this weight, assistance from another individual is required to safely install the unit. Now you're ready to install the pedestal. Take the pedestal and place it on top of the cart. Attach the drain tube to the bottom of the pedestal with the clamp, and feed the tube into the hole that is closest to the back of the Eyewash unit. Lower the Eyewash unit onto the cart as you feed the tube into the hole. With the pedestal properly on the cart, you are ready to mount the tank. The tank weighs 60 pounds when filled with water, so assistance from another individual is required. Mishandling the tank can lead to small hairline cracks that may not be noticeable right away, but over time the cracks will expand, causing the tank to leak. Invert the tank and place it straight down on the pedestal to minimize spillage. A pierce on the pedestal will puncture a hole in the cap liner and allow the water to flow. Minor spillage may occur. Secure the tank to the pedestal using the side clamps. Make sure the latches are pulled down tight. Next, lower the arm and activate the water flow long enough so you can see air bubbles moving through the tank. This step burps the unit and balances water pressure in the system, preventing any leakage. Raise the arm and snap the Eyewash back into position. Repeat the burping process again should you notice any water weeping from the snorkel. To document weekly inspections per ANSI standards, attach the inspection tag and hang the safety sign in a visible spot near the unit using the hook and loop fasteners provided. The Eyewash is now ready for use. While there are many benefits to mounting the on-site Eyewash to the waste cart, site conditions may require the unit to be mounted permanently to the wall. The first step is securing the mounting bracket to the wall with the appropriate screws and wall anchors provided by installer. Attach the pedestal to the mounting bracket at the handles on the back of the unit. To comply with ANSI requirements, the top of the water stream from the spray head must be at a height 33 to 53 inches from the floor. The spray heads must be situated at least 6 inches away from the wall or nearest obstruction. With the pedestal securely mounted, Complete the installation as previously demonstrated, keeping in mind the tank weighs 60 pounds when filled with water and assistance from another individual is required to safely install the unit.